Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to automatically delete your Google Chrome browser history on your Windows PC. So for this guys, you need to add one extension to your browser. So just you need to search in the browser auto history wipe. So just search this and open the web store of the Chrome browser and it will show you the extension. As you can see, just you need to add this extension to your browser. After adding guys, in the toolbar menu you need to open the extension option. Just click on three dots and open the options. Okay, and here guys you can get some options. What history you need to clear? You need to clear browsing history or download history or cookies. Just you need to select your option, whatever you need to clear. Okay, like this. So when you close the Google Chrome browser, so it will automatically clear your all history of your browser. So this is the very nice and very useful extension to auto clear the history of your Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.